Greetings from beautiful sunny Central Florida. I've noticed a significant increase of interest in my videos about tax liens and tax deeds, so I've decided to create a new Facebook group. If you enjoy my content, you will definitely appreciate the information in my group that I'm sharing. I regularly share valuable tips, suggestions, and information about both tax liens and tax deeds. If you are eager for more information, I strongly urge you to join my group and expect to gain a wealth of knowledge. The group is private, by the way, so you will need to send a request. Once you send a request, I will approve it. It may take a couple of hours, maybe it might take a day or so, but as soon as I'll see it, I'll approve it and you will be in. The Facebook group is called Tax Deed Mastermind 101. And so you can find the link in the description below, by the way. But simply go into Facebook on the left side, click on the groups, and type Tax Deed Mastermind 101 into a search bar, all one word, no spaces, and that will take you to my page that looks something like this. So again, once I receive the request, I cannot send you an invite, obviously, but feel free to send a request, and that knowledge will definitely be there. If you have any questions or problems, you can always, comment on the video. I'll check that out. But now, why am I doing this? Well, firstly, I have extensive knowledge about tax liens and tax deeds. I've never lost money on any transactions, boast an impressive track record, and I have been very successful in this space for about 12 years now. I attribute my success to strong mentorship and excellent education I received when I first got involved in this area. When I was first introduced to tax liens and tax deeds years ago, I knew nothing about them. I had no idea what a tax lien is or what a tax deed is. So I turned into common resources like YouTube, Google, social media, and I've been doing pretty much the same thing that you're doing today, or people are doing nowadays, is just going to open information and just trying to gather as much information as they can. The challenge I faced at that time was that half of the information I was receiving said one thing and the other half has said something else. And it didn't make much of a sense, and that's where I realized that I need help if I want to seriously pursue this. So I decided to share my knowledge with others who are hungry for reliable information in form of creating the group where we can share the information. I can share my knowledge with you guys. I'm looking forward to see you all in my group and helping you succeed in this exciting business that can be very profitable as long as it's approached properly. Now, I see a lot of people and a lot of articles, everybody's telling you how easy it is. You can make $50,000 here, you can make $100,000 there. Well, the reality of it is not easy, but it is very, very, very doable. As long as you are fully committed, you are patient, and you are consistent. You also have to be open-minded, so you have to have a positive, you have to really focus, but anybody can be successful. I can guarantee that with the information you can learn, you can buy your first property and make $20,000, $30,000. Well, I'm gonna take that back. I'm not gonna guarantee that, but the knowledge I'm gonna give somebody will guarantee that will translate into a result. So don't expect easy, don't expect something where you will work 1 hour and you're gonna make $10,000. So be realistic. It is important to be realistic when it comes to your expectations, but it's very, very doable, and it's accomplishable for sure. So for those of you that can be fully committed and are really looking forward to or are very interested in learning about tax liens and tax deeds, I can definitely help you guys to do that. So again, thank you for watching this video. It's a short video, but I just wanted to introduce you all to my new Facebook group. I'm looking forward to seeing you, and I will see you all in my next video. Until next time, thank you.